how to make vegan bubble teas at home.
We're going to put the almond milk in. It's 1/4 of a cup of regular unsweetened almond milk. Put 1/4 of a cup of lychee concentrate in. And then we're going to put 4 cups of ice in. And then we're going to put the lid on. And ear protection is important for good hearing in your future.
So now we have a Vitamix right here that we're going to be blending it in.
So we're going to blend it until everything is homogenized.
And so use the spatula. I'll have the affiliated things that we talked about linked in the video description.
Taste test time. You can do this with spoons or straws, and you can have a little more liquid in it and it'll be a little bit more liquidy, or you can just let it melt a little bit, or you can have it in a more of an icy consistency.
These are our favorite sporks. We were out of regular spoons. It's just like, if you ever been to Townsend Teas, it tastes just like their lychee bubble tea, but it has the texture of the bubble tea place and cold pressed juice place over by PSU, which is in the one of the PSU buildings.
And Portland, Oregon.
That's what this tastes like.
I think it's really good. Great to be able to take it out of your fridge and be like, oh, I'm just gonna whip up a lychee bubble tea.
And also, this allows you to save money and meal prep, so you can prepare for back to school or things like that, or so you can have a little treat when you're studying when you're at school again to increase your productivity. What's your favorite drink? I'll have some videos right here of our favorite videos to check out after watching this. And don't forget to like and share because it really does help. And we'll see you in that next video.